Did you know the largest city of Manitoba, Winnipeg, has over 14 times as many people as the second largest city in Manitoba? Brandon has a population of just over 50,000, and Winnipeg has a population of almost 750,000. In fact, over half the province lives in just Winnipeg. And Winnipeg is somehow the sixth largest city in Canada overall? Keep in mind, this is just city propers. Not even like metro areas, just city propers. It's somehow this big. I don't get why it's so big, you know?
Subscribe for more random geography videos.